Hi guys, this video is about how to annotate with Kami. So the first thing you have to do is add Kami as an extension, and you can pin that extension right here in your toolbar section. And the great thing about Kami is that when you open up a PDF, all you have to do is click open with, and then you can say annotate with Kami, and it's going to be able to use any PDF that you have in your drive or that you've uploaded, be able to use that to annotate with Kami. So let's look at some of the features in Kami. So right here you have the toggle sidebar. You're able to open that up, and when that opens up, it shows you your pages, and it also shows you the number of annotations on each page, which is great. Also, over here, you have the summary, and it gives you a summary of everything that's been annotated and what page it's on. So I think that is a great feature. Also, it shows you where it's located in your drive. You can move that. You can rename from right here. You can rename the file. You can change the size of the paper. You can open a file in Kami. You have sharing options of how you can share the document, print, save, download, and you have help right here. This is your menu, which gives you some other options of creating and moving around the document. If you deleted annotations, you can restore them right here. You may need to rotate the document once it's uploaded, and you have viewing features as well. If you click on your initials, you have all your account information right there. So over here, we have our tools. You can select, you can use the dictionary right in Kami, which is great for our students' reading comprehension. If they don't understand a word, they can highlight it. Use that dictionary feature, it gives them the definition. You also have text to speech. You have different options of how you want to use that. The previous sentence, next sentence, loop. This is where you press play so it can read. You would stop right here. And this right here, it changes the voice, but it does not translate. You can also decide on the speed of the reading. Another great feature is right here where you can actually use the highlighter, text highlighter, or box. You can also allow your students to annotate using the strike through feature, underlining, and they can change the color of those features. This is also great because you can comment just like you would in Google Docs, leaving comments on your students' annotation, but you have the option to use voice comment, audio comment, or you can do a video comment, and then you can also do a screen capture of their annotations if you're using that for a grade. This is where you can do your text box highlighting. So you have that option. This is great for math if you're uploading a worksheet and you want your students to be able to complete an equation and using different symbols. They have different math symbols that are available that can be used that they can insert. This is the drawing feature. You have shapes, which is great if, once again, for math, if you have them to create something in geometry, or even for ELA, social studies, if you have them create their own graphic organizer. Science, that would be good for experiments. You have the eraser, and then they can also insert an image if you want them to add images to go along with their annotations. And this is great for teachers adding a signature. So if we have documents that we need to sign and turn in, we can do that electronically. Now you don't see underneath here, but this is just a toggle feature. It gives you the option of switching your toolbar to the other side of the page. So it's not going to let me do that because I have my little box right here, but you can switch your toolbar to the other side like this so that you can have that view on the right side if you're more comfortable with having it on this side. So you can just switch which side you have your toolbar on. Once again, like I said, Kami is a great annotation feature. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a Kami assignment within Google Classroom. So stay tuned.